Hey friends! Do you want to increase your business visibility on Google? In this video, I'll introduce you to a professional online marketing course using Google My Business, available with a special discount coupon on Udemy. What you will learn in this course: upgrade your digital marketing skills for a new job or career change. Showcase business location for those trying to find you through Google searches. And more. This course includes 1 hour on-demand video. Certificate of completion. This course currently has 76,000 students and a rating of 4.5, making it a highly rated course. The current price of the course is approximately €20. Simply open your browser and search for gotodiscounts.com on Google or any search engine you prefer. Click on the link that appears in the search results. Ensure that the website address matches the one displayed here. After clicking the link, you will be redirected to the home page of gotodiscounts.com. On this page, you can explore the latest Udemy courses available with discount coupons. One of the courses we're highlighting, as you can see here, is available with a discount coupon. To access the discount for this course, simply click on this link. The course page will open for you, where you can also view the course details. Please note that the discount for this course is not permanent, so be sure to check the expiration date. To access the discount coupon for this course, follow the instructions provided. Scroll down and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to access this course for free through the Go to Discounts website. Now, instead of paying around €20, I can get it completely free of charge. Please note that there are only 4 days left to claim this discount. The discount coupon has been automatically applied for you, and you can access this course for free. It's that simple. You can also legally and for free explore other sections of the gotodiscounts.com website, browse through various categories, and discover more offerings. You can also go to the All Discounts section and search for what you're looking for. Browse through the courses you're interested in. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with your friends so they can access these free educational resources as well. I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.